All right, y'all, welcome back. This is Keena with Sweet Gem Life. This week's plan with me is a collab with my girl Just Joia. I will link her video up here at the top and down in the description box. This week we're using this gorgeous kit from Sadie Stickers called Hustle in gold foil. We have our full boxes, half boxes, appointment labels, quarter boxes, and trackers. We have our headers, some checklists, some icons down at the bottom with the weekend banner, and we have our days of the week and our washi. In addition, we have some gold foil headers, bows, pink. God, we're here for it. So we're gonna go ahead and lay down our base. And this collab comes with Get to Know Me. So Q&A. These questions are going to be answered by both me and Joya. And I guess we'll get right to it. So, the first question, how did you come across the online planner community? Well, I was scrolling through YouTube one day and came across Heather Kell's channel, and was enamored. I had already purchased a planner, a happy planner from Michaels, and it was sitting in the drawer somewhere, along with a happy planner sticker book. And after watching Heather's video, I just was like, oh my God, I need to use this. At the time, I wasn't working from home just yet, but I was working in an office. I was and still am pursuing a dual master's degree in accounting and business management, in addition to being a mommy, in addition to so many other things that I had on my plate. And I was using my phone and to pretty much keep everything organized. And it was becoming a problem because I was also on this, kick the phone dependency kind of thing. So I needed a way to stay organized and also be able to show my creativity. And I fell into the Happy Planner rabbit hole. Y'all know what that rabbit hole is and how far it goes. So that's how I came across the online planner community. The next question is, what are your current everyday carries? So I work from home, run a business. Everything I do is majority from home. So you guys know that I have this here Franken planner, this Erin Condren Franken planner, and then I recently received my Notique Q5. I'll link that video up here so you can watch the unboxing of that. So this planner is used for my everyday personal um, trips, projects, things of that nature, and then I use the Notique Q5 for my business planner. The next question is, what is your favorite type of pen? I have to say, when I first started out on my falling down the rabbit hole, it was a ballpoint. I didn't see a big difference in pens. A pen was a pen to me. And I came across a video from Michelle, and it was her unboxing of the Autumn Lane kit from Villa Beautiful. And I wanted the kit so bad, and at that point, those of you that order from Villa Beautiful know that if you don't catch it when it goes on pre-sale, you got to catch it when the extras become available. So after I saw Michelle's video, I stalked the website and I went and I purchased a pen that they had available. Baby, let me tell you. When I got that pen, it was the Aster pen. When that pen came in, I wouldn't use anything else. Everything else went in the trash. I had a pack of Papermate Inkjoy gel pens. I had a multi-pack, the one that comes with all of the different colors and a few black pens. And one day I went to work and had forgotten my Villa Beautiful pen at home. And it was almost a complete meltdown in the office. I didn't know that I had left it home. I thought I'd lost it. And I decided to bust open that Papermate pen and fell in love with it. Another gel pen. So my favorite pens are gel. If I have to choose a brand, it will be between the Villa Beautiful pens and the Papermate Inkjoy I have them in all of the colors, and I've got about 200 black ones scattered throughout the house, my car, and anywhere I go. The next question is, what are your favorite planner accessories? See, that's a trick question. I have become a serious washi tape addict. Um, I started Simply Gilded, my Simply Gilded subscription in January of 2020. And since then, I've had every box she's released, in addition to the other releases and the pre sales and the other things that, you can still find available on her website. And I've gone from a small little Rubbermaid, small little tote box to one, two, three of the Michaels washi tape organizers. It's absolutely ridiculous, but I'd have to say that my favorite accessory is washi tape. Um, I want to say that I have a favorite type, but I don't, because it all comes down to what I'm feeling that day. I have washi from Villa Beautiful. I've got washi from Simply Gilded. I've got quite a bit from those value packs from Hobby Lobby that have the different seasons in them. And then wherever I go, washi tape is there, and it somehow makes it back to my house. I don't know how that happens, but I'll look into that and I'll get back with y'all. Okay, next question. What have been your biggest challenges when it comes to planning? Goodness gracious. Y'all, I am a decorative planner, as you can see, but I also I need it to be functional. I need this to work. I need to be able to actually use it. Otherwise, it's a waste of energy. So, um, my biggest challenge is purchasing sticker kits. I'm not coming for anybody. Please don't start sharing this video and saying that I'm coming for anybody, because she doesn't do that. But I hate to purchase a sticker kit that's really cute and doesn't have the functional pieces that I need. For me, functional is I don't really need the build-do stickers, because if you watch this channel, you know I keep a separate section for my budget. But the things like the appointment labels, the I can't say icons are exactly functional to me, because I can live without them. They're really cute, but I can live without them. I need, the date covers and date dots. A lot of shops make kits with date covers but no date dots. So now I either have to use my really ugly handwriting to write in the date, or I have to go find date dots from another shop, and then it throws off the whole spread. But that's my biggest challenge, is trying to keep a balance between functional planning and decorative planning. And when I open up this planner, I need to feel organized. I need to feel sure about what I have going on and not be confused about what I wrote last week, because, oh my God, I need to figure out what I'm supposed to be doing right now. So that's my biggest challenge. So, question 7, what do you do if you're in a planner funk? Oh my goodness. I can't say that I find myself in that often, but when I do, the best way for me to get out of it is to get crafty. I'll look and just do random searches on YouTube and in these different Facebook groups that I'm a part of, and even on Instagram. Use those hashtags, search those hashtags, and then you can sort them in whatever way you like. And I usually sort them by what's new, and I'll find something to create and stick in my planner. Okay, so the next question is, what do your loved ones think of your planning hobby? When my sister first found out about it, she thought I was so weird. Like, don't you have enough to do than to add an extra thing to do on your to-do list? And when I finally sat down and explained it to her, she was so intrigued. I bought my sister her first happy planner, and now every Saturday morning we sit down with our coffee for me, tea for her, and we plan our week out. And it's relaxing. It allows me to spend time with my sister, as you know, she's long distance, she doesn't live near. And like I said, it allows me to spend time with my sister, and it gets me away. I get to get organized. I get to spend time with my sister. It's multifunctional. So that, other than that, my son is like, okay, let's do it. Let me lay some stickers down too. Let's do this. I've even had a time where my son woke up one morning and saw my planner laying on the table in the dining room. And I don't remember what I was doing, but I came back in and he was looking in the planner and he said, "What are we doing today, mommy?" And it made me so proud. I'm going to get him his own channel eventually. But that's what they think of my planning hobby. Well, y'all, we are about done here. I really appreciate you guys clicking on this video and watching. And I appreciate you even more for going to take a look at Joya's video to see how her spread turned out and to hear her Q&A as well. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post new videos. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.